Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound GSD. And currently on Pound GSD, to market open, we saw a complete dive of the price downwards, and we see price coming towards these areas of 127.20, and that is a region that I'll be anticipating a reversal from. Going forward, what I'm anticipating from this region is a pure reversal, probably some manipulations down to this region, and then we'll see price either come back up to this region where it began this move and pick up orders. So going forward, for this week, I'm anticipating a reversal from this region down to this point, and let's see how price plays out. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Have a nice week. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. Whoa, looking at Pound USD, I'm so much like, what's pushing this price right now? The dump is massive. Look at the the 3-day candle, like 2-day candle. This was on Friday, and Monday we had a continuous drop over 100 pips. Yeah, 128.33, 127.30, over 100 pips, and then we have over 100 pips drop too yesterday, and today I don't know. Let's look at this time frame, because that's where I made my analysis on Monday. Looking at this time frame going forward, I was anticipating a rejection at 127.20 region to probably 126.77, and price just dipped into it like it was nothing. So going forward, not creating much of a daily range here. We can actually see that there's a range here, a level at this region, which on the weekly time frame, if I click on the weekly time frame, we could see this downward trend line that has come from years back. All right, good. This is a trend line from years back. 1, 2, 3, broke it, and then we could be seeing probably a retest of that trend line and a touch of that support level I showed on the daily time frame. But be that as it may, price might actually break through and actually come just to retest this level of 120, which we might see in weeks. But for now, for our intraday, I'm anticipating price to actually, let's go back to that weekly. I saw important zones there right now. So on the weekly here, what I'm anticipating, on the weekly here, I'm anticipating price to actually probably reject this around this region. Yeah, around this region, or around this region here on below it, which is just right below this region. Okay, so first, definitely price should be getting exhausted around this time at 125.00, which is a good psychological level, a very proper psychological level, and yeah, a cycle level and a key level right there. So going back to the daily time frame, let's see. I'm anticipating probably a continuation of the dump today, just continuation of the dump today to this region of 125.30 region, a pullback, then maybe just come back for a double bottom, and then we could see price probably continue to come back to 129.84 for the least, and probably 131, because we have seen a huge dump. All right, so going forward, let's slide into the 4 hours time frame and see if we can actually see opportunities to trade Pound USD. For now, if I don't see clear structures, I won't be going in, because price seems to be forming a continuation of the bearish sentiment, which is this 1, 2, 3 candles, and then we'll see a continuation to the downside. Sliding down to the 1 hour time frame, let me see if the pattern is correct. See, it's not really clear for me at this point right now. So if I don't see a pure retracement to give us some fib retracement level, which is from this pull down to this area, which is 50%, 61% region around this area, for a continuation to the downside, then I'm not trading Pound USD. All right, I'll see you guys on Friday, and let's see how price plays out. Ciao. Hello guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. It's Friday, and this has to be the funniest drop on Pound USD ever since I tried trading. This has to be the damn, bro. Look at the drop, man, since last week Friday, I guess. Listen, boom. Oh my god, we had about over 600 pips drop. Whoa, that has to be the biggest drop I've seen. Imagine thinking that price is about to reject around these regions. I anticipated since on Monday and Wednesday, and boom, price keep breaking down. And if you look at the DXY, we could actually understand the reason why this is happening. DXY is killing it upward, and now going forward, we could see that price actually came into this highest high it has made since 2016, a tip of it, and I started rejecting it. So I'm anticipating price to actually drop a little bit before it could probably continue. And that being that as May, which means I'll be anticipating a continuation of buys going forward in pound USD. Let's look at this style better off. On this style now, on the daily time frame, you can see price broke through this level. First broke through this level of 128.67 and 68, broke through this level of 126, which is basically 127 region, and broke into 125 region, killing into 124 region. Damn. At this point, I'm anticipating price to start buying up, right? And I'll be looking for entries in the London session to actually join the buys. Hold on, that was a mistake. Yeah, I'll be looking for entries. Let's move over to the other time frame, other time, so you could see probably I'll be looking for my entries. It's crazy, but let me slide down a little bit to the 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, what about I'll be looking for? First of all, do we have a trend line? Yeah, I think we do. Just kill every year. Eventually, yeah. So basically, all right, that should serve it. That should serve it. Let's put this on the 4 hour time frame first, and this should go for now. This should go for now. Yeah, this should go for now. Okay, cool. All right. So I don't need this trend line. Hopefully, let's go into the 15 minutes time frame. Over here on the 15 minutes time frame, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, boom, one touch. If I should do this, okay, let's just work with this. 2 touch, and it was broken. And let's see, going forward, this is what I'll be anticipating. This is a key level right there. And so this is also a level. Yeah, it's a level. Okay, cool. Going into the London session, I'll be anticipating price to retest this level or this level before going up to 125.78. A break of it, then we'll anticipate price to come all the way to this region too. Here, this might not play out all today, but going into next week, I might see that happen. That's if G is not out of going down. Alright, so this is a key level, to be honest. 1, 2, we tested it, broke it, and then came back here and saw it as a resistance, broke it down. We anticipating price to actually retest this key level, or we could see price actually touch this level already here. Okay, yeah, that would be it. And if that happens, okay, cool. Going forward, we see trend line break and retest of it first, then we might see price just come touched anywhere around this level. I'll go in for entry, stop loss just below these lows here, yeah, and then we could see price target one here, 125.70, a break of it, then we could see price come all the way to these highs. I'll see you guys on Monday, and let's see how price will play out between now and then. Ciao.